So it turned out great. I'm so proud of myself. It turned out really good. And look at the bubbles going on. I'm a big fan of those. Now, is that good? Is that bad? I don't know, but it's supposed to be a carbonated beverage, right? Well, this one hits the spot, and I have to say, when the time is right, I am an amber type guy. It's got that caramel flavor to it, and it's just the right taste. I'm happy I did it. Thanks again, Phil. Prost. Tune in next time where I make some pale ale.